Hey guys, and welcome back. This is the main ginger here, coming back to you, actually. Okay, so today, this isn't going to be a gameplay. This is actually going to be a tutorial on the recording software that I use, Open Broadcaster software. And I also did just record this video, but I made a noobish mistake, and I had my mic muted the whole time, so there was just a video with no sound at all. And yeah, okay. So basically, this is all it is right here. Oh, it's completely free. It's probably okay, it can look a little intimidating at first once you first open it up and get it installed and everything. But after this video, this tutorial, I hope that you'll be able to actually understand what to do with it um, and how to use it correctly. So let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll have to come over here to their website, Open Broadcaster software, obsproject.com. I don't know why /index is there. It's usually not, but it's usually just obsproject.com, and it'll bring you to this screen right here. And I don't exactly know what the multi-platform is, but there's information on it down here. And just go here, right here. Sorry, I thought I heard something. Go ahead and just, all you have to do is click this one, and it'll just pop up to this. I've canceled it because I already have it installed. And so what you'll have to do, after you click that, that'll become installed. That'll get downloaded. Go ahead and minimize the screen like this, and just drag it onto your desktop. And you see, I've already done that. Oh, okay. Okay, you can do that. Alright, and then next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually go from the screen that you were just in, their home page, um, hover over help, and then go down to estimator. Go ahead and click on estimator, and that'll bring you to this screen right here. Basically, this will just kind of give you recommendations for your recording and streaming settings on the actual software. So basically, all you'll do is what kind of CPU do you have? I'm just gonna pick, I don't know, a random crap. Um, okay, so this right here. What kind of games are you going to be streaming or recording, basically? Um, I would suggest putting high motion because whether you're going to be streaming or recording low motion, I don't think it really matters if you put a high motion anyways. I just think it'll be like, I don't know. But, okay, so examples of high motion would be kind of like Minecraft. That does take a lot to load. There actually is. You would think it's just a really simple game. There's a lot to load. And then, so this one right here, how fast is your upload speed? For this, you're going to have to go to speedtest.net. Now, I've already come here, and I've already done it, which I will actually reset it so you can see how easy it is. Even though my internet is really bad today, I'm not sure why. It's not good at all. Okay, so all you have to do is press begin test. That's all you have to do. You sit there and wait for it to finish. And my internet's bad, so I don't know why. Well, okay, just pretend I finished it. Um, no, I'll wait because it gets kind of confusing if you don't have a visual. So remember, the only thing you need is the upload speed. Right here, the upload speed. And what OBS Project wants is it in kilobytes per second, while speedtest.net gives it to you in megabytes per second. So basically what you're gonna get right here is upload speed, and mine is 4.25 megabytes per second. And now you're gonna want to remember that number because you're gonna have to convert them into kilobytes per second. And it's simple as this. There's no decimals. You just put 4250. That would be mine. Yours would be yours. But mine, the only thing that you have to do is get rid of the decimal and put a 0 at the end. Just think of it that way. It's simple as that. And then for this, I recommend 1920 by 1080, because it's mainly the screen size, not the game resolution. So if you press recommended settings, I just picked random one, so this won't actually be mine. Like this is what the settings for these are. It'll just give you the advice or recommendations for settings in the actual software. This is just some gaming advice, and then the network advice. And then so next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open this, the installer. Um, the only thing that this is basically, it's just a wizard. You open it and it tells you, like, you press next, next, I agree, install, confirm, just all that crap. It's just really fast. It probably takes 2 minutes. That's it. And then so what you're gonna, hold on, just checking something. Okay, and then so after you got that installed, yours will have, actually, I got rid of my desktop icon or shortcut. I don't know why. I didn't like it there, so I just moved it down to my taskbar down here. But you'll get this little icon right here, as you can see. It looks like a ninja star, black, like a black circle with a ninja star kind of thing. And mine popped up right here. And generally will pop up on your left-hand screen, side of the screen. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to open it. And when you open it, it'll bring you to this. I'm not gonna maximize the screen because it'll make it like Inception. If you want to see it, there you go. You're welcome for motion sickness. Just kidding. So what it'll bring you to is a blank screen without this moving, without this right here. Nothing will be in their scenes, nothing in the sources, and this will be blank. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to the settings, and then pick. Obviously, go to first one would be general. Pick your language, English, right? Um, Next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to set a profile. So I'm recording right now with it, so I can't exactly show you how to, but I will tell you. All you have to do is when you first open it, it'll say untitled. You click on it until the whole thing is highlighted. Put it to whatever you want. Mine's just recording, just simple. And then after that, you press add, and then so that'll give you the profile of recording. And then I have another profile of streaming, which is the same thing. You just select untitled, call it streaming, and press add. Next thing is encoding. This would be what is it, 720? Yeah, this is like 720p right here, 2500 max bit rate. I recommend it. Um, yeah, just it's because 1080p. I haven't exactly recorded or streamed in 1080p before, so I don't know how it would go exactly. But so just leave all this the same. You don't have to change any of this. Broadcast settings. Right here, this is for if you're going to live stream or if you're going to record. So file output only would be record, and obviously live stream would be live stream. But if you change it to live stream, it comes up with a ton of different um, settings and options and stuff that you can change. Um, and that you would have to do that on your own because I can't exactly show you that right now because I'm not live streaming. So yeah. And then next would be video settings. Right here, you have your what is this? The video adapter. Why not? I'm noob. Sorry. Um, so the base resolution, you don't leave that, or you just leave that how it is. You leave it on custom 16:9, and this right here would be just the resolution, the filters, and the FPS. Remember, if you go back to here, it'll tell you the set FPS that they want you to put it at for the recommended FPS actually for your computer that it can handle. Mine's set at 60 because my computer can handle 60. I don't know if yours can or can't, but mine is set there. My audio devices, I don't have any actually. I'm a noob and I'm actually just using my computer mic right now. So I didn't change any of this except for this right here, desktop boot, the mic and auxiliary boot. So what this would be your game sound kind of thing. And so if you boost it or if you decline or decrease it, it would be you would be making it louder so you could hear it better. And so I made my voice even louder so you could hear me better than everything else going on. Um, so that's all I did for that, and that's the only thing I changed on here. And advanced and microphone noise gate, I would not change that because I have made that mistake of trying to change it and it just screws up everything. So I suggest you just leave these two alone right here and don't even touch it. So next, all you have to do is press, well, you have to press apply on all of those and then you press OK. Next thing is you go over here. So scenes and sources. Scenes, you could just, oh, I don't know what just happened. You can't see anything now. There. Okay, my bad. Um, all you would have to do is right click right here, press add scene, and then you could change it to whatever you want. You can change it to desktop, you can change it to just anything you want. And I'm not going to because I have mine right there. Now right here, you could do add window capture, which would just be any window that you wanted to capture or record. Monitor capture, which I'm using right now, which just records the whole monitor. I'm not sure what image or slideshow or global source does, or text or video capture device. Oh, that would be like a capture card actually, I think. And then so the game capture is the other thing that I use for Minecraft or Euro Truck Simulator 2, Gary's Mod, Cry of Fear, just anything. That's what I use for it because it's just easier to set it and all this stuff. So if you double click on it, if you double click on whichever one you're using, whether it's game capture or monitor capture or anything else, if you double click on it, it brings you to all of these settings. Now, all of these settings is just what you would prefer to change it to. You can change the brightness, you can change the, I don't know, what, just whether it captures your cursor or not. And then for the game one, it's a lot different. This one just, it captures a window. So you would have to choose the window, and if you're just starting it, you press refresh, and then it would pop up. And then you could just choose all of these, change brightness, blah, 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 whatever. So, and then the next thing, all you would have to do is check off one of these, and I'm not going to uncheck it because I'm not sure what it would do. So, but all you would have to do is check one of them and go into the scene that you want and press record. So, simple as that. I mean, I took a long time on this video, and I'm sorry. But, I think it was necessary because when I was trying to upload, or not when I was trying to upload, when I was trying to get this thing get the whole thing set up, I was having some issues because there wasn't exactly great tutorials on it covering everything. And so now I hope I covered everything for you that you need to know for this software because it is an amazing software. Shout out to Open Broadcaster Software. They made an amazing recording software. It's completely free, no charges whatsoever, and it's just simple once you get to know how to use it. It's amazing. And so, on that note, I'm just gonna say goodbye to you guys in this inception of inceptions. Watch this. Wow, whoop, wow, whoop. Okay. But alright, so guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to me because it helps out a lot. It really does. Um, so I hope this helped you a lot. Um, have a nice day. Yeah, I don't have much more to say. I don't know why I'm rambling on. I'm sorry. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.